A very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. One of the companies connected to US President Donald Trump and his family's position in World Liberty Financial has reportedly reduced its stake in the cryptocurrency platform in the last 11 days. According to a Forbes report, DT Marks DeFi LLC, an umbrella company controlled by Trump and his family, has been slowly reducing its stake in WLF. The report noted that DT Marks DeFi LLC had a 75% stake in WLF as of December 2024, but World Liberty's website said the company owned approximately 60% as of January, a stake that was further reduced to 40% sometime after June 8th. While it's unclear whether the Trump family profited from the move, a Forbes analysis suggested that the proceeds from such a sale could amount to millions of dollars. Healthcare tech firm Semler Scientific Incorporation says it plans to boost its Bitcoin stack by nearly 28 times in the next 2.5 years, growing its holding from 3,808 Bitcoin to 105,000 Bitcoins. Semler is aiming to hold a total of 10,000 Bitcoin by the end of this year, then 42,000 BTC by the end of 2026, before going for its final target of 105,000 BTC by 2027, the company said on Thursday. Semler first purchased Bitcoin in May 2024 and said it would continue to buy and hold Bitcoin for the long term. It has since bought over 3,800 BTC and has the 13th largest Bitcoin holdings among public companies, according to Bitbo data. Crypto exchange Kraken has launched Bitcoin staking through a new integration with Babylon as decentralized finance on BTC picks up. Babylon is a Bitcoin native protocol that enables BTC to secure proof of stake networks without leaving the blockchain. The service allows Kraken users to stake their Bitcoin directly, locking it in a custodial vault on the native chain. The staked Bitcoin is then delegated to POS networks via Babylon, and rewards are paid in Baby, the token of Babylon Genesis, a Bitcoin-secured Layer 1, Kraken said. The mechanism is fully on-chain, with staking governed by Bitcoin scripts and cryptographic safeguards to deter malicious behavior. Meta-owned WhatsApp can now be used to send and receive Bitcoin through a tool called Sati, created by founder Philippe Servin. The new wallet works entirely inside WhatsApp without needing users to download any extra apps. Since Sati is a non-custodial wallet, users are in charge of their own cryptocurrency. Private keys are not stored by the program, so only the user can access their money. Users just message a WhatsApp bot to begin, set a PIN, and the program connects that PIN to a special code from their phone. The user's device retains all the wallet information securely. Sati is especially helpful for people in countries like Mexico, Brazil, Turkey, and parts of Africa, where WhatsApp is already widely used. The Canadian stock exchange listed Sol Strategies has filed with the US Securities and Exchange Commission to trade on NASDAQ. The move has sparked enthusiasm in the Solana community, with investors anticipating more bullish sentiment and potential capital inflows in the Solana ecosystem. In the official filing proposing trading for Sol Strategies under the ticker STKE positions it as a potential trailblazer, with it mirroring MicroStrategy's pioneering adoption of Bitcoin as a reserve asset since 2020. The announcement made by Wu Blockchain highlights the company's strategic accumulation of over 420,000 Sol tokens. The value of these tokens is approximately $61.7 million. Arizona's push to create a state-run Bitcoin reserve is back on track after a surprising turnaround in the state Senate. Lawmakers revived House Bill 2324 on Thursday with a 16-14 vote, moving it back to the House for reconsideration. Initially rejected on May 7, the bill now has another shot thanks to a motion filed by Republican Senator Janae Shamp. The motion was the only way a previously defeated bill could be revived. HB 2324 aims to create a Bitcoin and digital assets reserve fund to manage crypto assets seized through criminal forfeiture. Bitget has received regulatory approval from Georgia to operate as a digital asset exchange and custodial wallet provider within the Tbilisi Free Zone. The company said its users in Georgia can now access Bitget's full range of services, including spot trading, futures, and copy trading, all within a fully compliant, locally regulated environment. Bitget has been expanding in Europe since the European Union's markets in crypto assets regulation began taking effect in 2024. Through its affiliate RX. It holds authorization from the UK's Financial Conduct Authority. It is also registered with Italy's Organismo Agenti Immediati and is listed as a virtual asset service provider in Poland, Bulgaria, Lithuania, and the Czech Republic. Payment card giant Visa has expanded its stablecoin capabilities across the Central and Eastern Europe, Middle East, and Africa region, and has also formed a strategic partnership with African crypto exchange Yellow Card. Visa appears to be doubling down on stablecoins, which are fast becoming the new payment rail of the internet, having last month invested in stablecoin-based payments firm BVNK. In 2023, Visa became one of the first major payment networks to settle transactions in Circle's USDC stablecoin. To date, over $225 million in stablecoin volume has been settled through Visa across participating clients, according to a press release. Alchemy Pay has unveiled plans to launch a new blockchain purpose-built for stablecoin payments. According to a June 19 announcement from Alchemy Pay, the company plans to launch Alchemy Chain, a blockchain purpose-built for stablecoin payments in the fourth quarter of 2025. The new network will facilitate smooth exchanges between local and international fiat-backed stablecoins. The move comes as momentum builds behind stablecoin regulation in major markets. In the US, the Genius Act was passed on June 18, creating the country's first comprehensive legal framework for fiat-backed stablecoins. The Financial Services Commission of South Korea is drafting a strategic roadmap aimed at launching a Bitcoin spot exchange-traded fund, a move that underscores the nation's increasing engagement with cryptocurrency investments. This development coincides with the current election cycle, where political parties have made clear commitments to fostering a regulatory environment conducive to digital asset innovation. The roadmap is expected to provide a structured framework that balances investor protection with market accessibility, potentially positioning South Korea alongside global leaders like the United States and Hong Kong in offering regulated Bitcoin investment products. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Mritu Sharma signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to 3.TV. And for more information stories, log on to our website www.3worldstv.io or scan the QR code.